Okyala bw'okwanjula n'embaga.
So simple. Munatupira ko bufizi. Gwate mama, gwe yanyumye. Gwazina obulungi. Gwe yetese speech impandike. Akazina lokako. Thank you so much.
Sorry, my speech is written.
That's okay. It's a sign of preparation.
Okay. The director and staff of Sharita School of Beauty, our parents present, my fellow students, ladies and gentlemen, time check. Good afternoon to you. You are most welcome to this fantastic event, our graduation. By names, I'm Nagaja Jusila Angel, former head girl, Sharita School of Beauty, and I was escorted by a squad, of course. My parents, let me take this opportunity to recognize them. The other one is here. Fellow students, parents, and our esteemed guests, today marks the significant milestone in our journey. We have made it. We have survived early mornings and endless practicals. We have supported each other through thin and thin. We have really grown into talented, confident, and skillful people. Bino byetusoma tebirimu makulu batusinika ku ssomero kuzanya bambi tuzuukuka ku makya tukeera tukola practicals batugaba mu ddoomu bagigala n'ogiggala. From the first step of mastering Kaswahili, akaswahili kazibu kakuyiga n'olaba twakayiga. Oh, it's still a big journey, a long journey. You've come from far. And we thank God we are here. And also drawing eyebrows. Akasige, okuba akasige, bantu bange, no nekafuka perfect. We thank Madame Barbara for that. As we stand here, we are not just graduates, we are ambassadors of beauty, creativity, and skill. We are equipped to conquer the beauty industry and make our mark. Tetuli babulijjo ffe wotulaba waneeno ffe tugenda bakolako ku mikolo gyammwe ffe tugenda bakuba obusiga bakolako makeup buli kimu. To my fellow graduates, you are equipped with knowledge, talent, and passion. Go out there and slay the beauty. Don't sit on your talent. Mugende wabwele yo milimu gyegiri tukole twayiga tuyinokkisa into practice. To our parents and guardians, we thank your unwavering support that means the world to me. Thank you for believing in us. Bantu banchakiriza mu baana baabwe naye twebaza bazadde baffe baatukirizaamu n'atugamba genda osome mmanyi ojja kukola ki ojja kikwata ojja kiyiga ate ojja kikola. Tubeyanziza nnyo tubeyanziza. And when I'm still here, let me take this opportunity to thank my mom in her absence. She is really a great woman to me. I thank her. I know she will see this video. Let me also take and our lovely director, Sharita Namusoke, also known as Sharita Mazima Wanvu. Tweyanziza nnyo omulimu gw'otukoledde mami. Okuyamba abavubuka naddala ffe ab'obuwala ne tuteetuulako n'otuyongeramu skill mu bulamu bwaffe era zigenda otuyambira ddala. I have a small gift for you. We thank our teachers, to mention but a few, Master Ronnie, Madam Jackie, Madam Barbara. We are very, very grateful for the good work you've done for us. If you weren't there, we couldn't be here. If you weren't the one, that one deserves we thank you for the time you've sacrificed, you've sacrificed your sleep just to come to school and teach us. We are really, really very grateful for our teachers. Congratulations to our class. This is the journey we've started. Let's go face the outside world. I know we've been taught a lot. We've been impacted with a lot of knowledge, and we are going to make it. Let's believe in ourselves. Thank you very much.
DJ akayimba kempola mpola nga batwala ekirabo kye baagaye nti balina ekirabo ekya mukyala Sharita. Ekirabo ekyokusiima olw'okubeera nti abagaidinze abaana ab'obuwala nabo okubeera nga bayingira ensi nga balina omulimu gw'omutwe. Remember, omuntu alina omulimu ogw'omutwe tabulirirwa, tasula njala, wakiri afuna gwakuba akasige. Ennaku zino bakamanyi kazaala. Tukwaniriza nnyo webali ettala tukwaniriza ku mukolo guno omukolo gwa Sharita School of Beauty
agage matikkira gaffe ataaga omulundi ogw'okumeka ogw'okuna.
Okyalaba okwanjula n'embaga.